This video will show you how to use Microsoft Office for free. No hacking or cracking. At the end of this video, you will be able to create new Microsoft Office documents, work with existing Microsoft Office documents, and Excel sheets located on your computer, external hard drive, or the cloud. To get started, head over to your browser, and in the search bar, you want to type in Microsoft Office and hit enter, and you should see the Microsoft Office 365 login from www.office.com. You want to click on that link. Once you get to the Microsoft 365 page, you want to look for the sign in button, which is towards the middle of the page on the left here. You're going to left click that. Now we need to create a Microsoft account. So look for the words that say no account and then create one, and left click on that hyperlink. In the create account field, you can enter any email as long as it's a valid email. So once you've entered your email address, you're just going to click next. All right, and now you need to create the password that you want to be used with your account, and click next. Choose your country and enter your birth date, and click next. Now you just need to verify your email address and you'll be all registered. So I've entered my security code from the verification email, and I'm going to uncheck I would like information and tips. I really don't want any extra email, and click next. Okay, and then you just need to solve the CAPTCHA, so click next. And this is 1x grenades, so we need to flip the pictures until we get 1x grenades. So this one looks like the best fit. 1 grenade and 3 measuring cups. Left click on submit. All right, and we need to do it again. We need 3 diamonds. Okay, and we've completed the verification. Okay, now a quick note about your Microsoft account, and click OK. Okay, and now you should get the welcome guide, which you can click through. And if you want to, you can go through the quick start messages. I'm going to X these out. Each Microsoft account comes with 5 gigabytes of cloud storage. If 5 gigabytes of storage on your OneDrive is not enough, you can also save documents to your computer. Documents saved to your computer are also compatible with paid versions of Microsoft Office. To create a document, just click on the appropriate file icon from the left side menu or the buttons in the middle of the screen. For example, just click on Word document and then X out the message. And to add a title, you can come up to the top where it says document and enter your title. And then you can click into the document and begin typing. And you'll notice that after you stop typing, you'll get a green checkbox and a cloud at the top. That means that documents are auto-saving. To see documents that you have recently worked on, just go up to the top right where the 9 dots are in a box, and then left click and click on the appropriate file type icon. So since I have just created one Word document, it shows up under my list of recently opened documents. And if I want to edit it, I can just left click on the title. To save a document to your computer, just go to File, and then Create Copy, Download Copy, left click, and then left click, Download Copy again. And now you should see the document get saved to your computer, and you can open up your downloads folder. And now you have a document you can use with other Microsoft Office applications as well. For any Microsoft Office documents saved to your computer, you can upload them by going back to the application. Just go back to the home page and then click on My Content, and you should see an upload button towards the bottom. Left click on that, and then go to your Microsoft Office documents on your computer. Select the document you want to upload and click Open. The file should automatically open after the upload process has been completed. If it doesn't, then you can go to the left side menu and click on OneDrive. And then from the left side again, click on My Files. And here I can see the document that I just uploaded. To open it up, just left click on it. And now you can continue working on your document. To see how to permanently delete Microsoft files or categorize documents into folders, then watch this next video or check the links in the description. If this tutorial was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to see more similar content.